How to add music in VN Video Editor. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, look for the music icon with the plus button in the timeline and tap on it. This option allows you to add background audio to your video. In VN, you can import music directly from your device, choose from the app's built-in music, sound effects, or even record your own voiceover. After selecting your music, it will appear in the timeline just above your video clips. You can drag the audio to the right position, trim or cut it to match your video, and adjust the volume so it blends well with the original sound. VN also allows you to add multiple audio tracks, which means you can mix background music, sound effect, and narration for a more professional result. Once you are happy with how the music fits your video, your project is ready for the next step. Now you know how to add music in VN Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.